there, welcome to or back to the channel. My name is Ms. Angela Sawyer, and today we are going to unbox a package from Amazon. And the package contains all kinds of things that I want to decorate this YouTube studio room with. So I want to put some stuff up here and decorate some stuff behind you, and you're going to come along with me while we unbox it, and then we're going to decorate. So I'm waiting for the package right now. It should come any minute. Whoa! Okay, so here is the package. I'm going to set it down on this little stool and we'll open it up and see everything that's inside. Okay. There. Okay, this is what the package looks like so far. It's all the way full. So let's open the first thing. Alright, first thing we have are these vines, and I'm so excited for the vines. You can put them on along your wall, and I want to use them on this faux brick wall. So that's going to be so neat. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Ooh, I need scissors. 1 second. I got scissors. Woo! I dropped them. Go away. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, neat. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Bring up this part. Oh, there's two packages, and I'll put up in the corner here what they look like when I purchased them, and the pricing and stuff. So if you're interested, then you can purchase them too. That out of the way. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, okay, okay. I'm digging it. They're tied together. So they're tied together with this little thing. Let's take the thing off. There we go. And no, I don't have a maid. I'm going to need to pick everything up when I'm done that I just threw on the floor. Yes. Okay. Pull these apart. Oh, it has another tie. Now they're all untied, and let's see. There we go. Okay, it looks like they're individual vines that you hang up, so that's really neat. Here we go. Anyway, so these are the vines, and we're going to use these in just a little bit to decorate the studio. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Next thing are these really cute cherry blossoms. And I'm so excited for these. I don't know if they're in a vine or what, but they're so cute. So here, I'll pull them out. Here's one still packaged. Let's rip that open. Garbage pile. Cool. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? And I'm gonna hang them. Oh, I could just I could wear it for a, little. How do I look? Alright, so there's several packages of these inside this. So there's that, and then let's count. There's one. So this is number 2. And not like that, kind of number 2. And then number 3. And number 4. So that's really cool. That is so much. I'm probably gonna, the vines and the cherry blossoms and cool. This is gonna be neat. Please though, leave me in the comments any suggestions for studio setup. I'm really trying to get this channel to grow. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can start doing fundraisers, because I think that would be so neat. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It would help me so much, more than you even know, if you just hit the thumbs up. That would be so fantastic. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Alright, next, oh, hang on, I gotta take this out of the thing. Okay, well, it's a little wrinkled, but, so cute. Okay, look at him! And here's the picture and pricing on it. I know, I'm not juvenile, I'm just going back to being a cute girl. So check this out. Isn't he so cute? It's a penguin that is part sunflower. It's a sunflower penguin. So here we go. We'll just set him right over here. There we go. I don't know if that's his final resting place, but our final the place that we're gonna put him. But we'll put him there for now. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh! Yay! I forgot that I ordered these. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are knee-high socks. So we're going to try them on. They're so cute. Okay. Alright, so it comes, looks like that. It comes, and you're not going to believe these. These are so cute. Okay, let's take this off. There we go. Okay, and look at these socks. Yes. Like, how comfy do you think these are? Like, I wish, like, just, I don't know, feel something and feel how soft it is. This is so soft. So let's try these babies on. We are going to check the thigh highs out right now. Let me take my shoes off. By the way, I put this little tassel on my shoe to match my outfit, so tell me in the comments what you think of that. These boots actually came from Ross, or Booties or whatever. They are so freaking cute. Like, see? Yes. They're really, really cute, and they're fairly comfortable too. Oh, look at these. They're so cute and comfy. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, look at these. They're so cute. Ooh. I think these are great. Alright, let's walk around in them and I'll show you what they look like standing up. Move this chair. So here they are. They're so cute. I think they actually go with my outfit today because there's pink and then this is pink too. So I will make sure and put all the information for each product up in the corner. The next pair that came with it are these little socks. Yes, yes. And they're super duper comfy feeling too. So I'm going to take these out of the package, show you. Oh, it says good night on it. Oh my gosh, I don't know about myself sometimes. But check these out. Oh my gosh, like how cute. And once again, you know, like okay, maybe not. Alright, let's go ahead and check these out. I'm going to try them on. Alright, so let's take these off and try on the next ones. And next, we have the cute little, gosh, what is that? Is it a bear or a cat? No, it's not a cat. I don't know. But it says goodnight. Yes. Yes. Look at these. Ah! Got this. These. Whoosh. Whoa, can't do that. Oops. Next from the package, we have these contact holders and contact lens holders, whatever they're called. Yandex contact lens case. And I really just needed like 3, but it came with a bunch. So let me show you the package. There's the package. It has some weird stuff on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's like little green speckles. I don't know what's up with that, but I'll be washing this before I use it. So I'm just I'll open it up and I'll show you what they look like. And then here pretty soon I am gonna do a contact lens, I guess not really haul, but whatever. I got like 3 different colors, and I'm so excited to try the different colors. When I was younger, my eyes were just like such a different color. They were like just more blue, and it was fantastic. So going back there, just going back to being 7 again. But let's check these out. So here they are. You have, it's marked, well, geez, okay, there we go. It's marked with left and right, so you know which ones. Let me open them and I'll show you the inside. They unscrew to open, and then here's what the inside looks like. We will talk about these contact lens holders and contact lenses in another video. Let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, yeah! Yes! Okay, these are so cute. They are owl socks. Yes, I might have a bit of an obsession with these soft, fuzzy, cute socks. I love the tops of them, and it's winter and I get cold. Okay, there we go. Let's take this thing off. And look at that cute little owl face. Isn't that like, it's like the most adorable thing. Just, oh, let's look at it. Ah, okay, let's see what they look like. Woo! Okay, owl face, and they are striped. Yay! So cute. So cute. And I am like super excited to try them. Oh, yeah. Oh gosh. I can't figure out how to open it. Ah, yes. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these are so cute. So cute. Okay, and check these out. Last in the box, we have these string lights. And once again, I wanted to decorate my area here with some cool little string lights. Now, my YouTube studio has all kinds of different setups in it, so you're just seeing like one corner of the studio, but here pretty soon you're going to see the whole thing as we decorate it. So I think it's going to be really fun. It'll be a little studio tour, and then what I want you to do is if you have better suggestions of where I should put something, I want you to leave it in the comments. So if I hang something somewhere and you think, no, that'd be better over by the window or you know, whatever, then leave it in the comments, and together we'll get this room like exactly how you guys want to see it when I film. So let's open this up. So string lights. Open it. Oh, here we go. Pretty, pretty. Oh my. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at these. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of string lights. I think this video is going to take me a couple days to make. Holy moly. Here we go. Okay, so we will put these somewhere in just a little bit. Let's untie them though and see what they look like. How do you untie it? How do you open it? Oh, okay. Hang on. Okay, I got them all untied. And I'll show you what. It's just a string, and you can see like little dots in the string, and those dots must be the lights. Yeah, so very cool and very interesting. Very nice. I think it's so much better than those, like the Christmas lights that have the big bulbs and everything, like technology, you know? All right, we'll put these aside and we will decorate with them very soon. And that is what was in the box. So now let's get to decorating. Oh, you're still recording. Goodness gracious, hang on. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of the video. Like I said, if you want any of the products, I'll make sure and give you the link. If you have any questions about anything or any comments, like I said, go ahead and comment in the description below. Or go ahead and comment below. Now, in the end screen here, you're going to see the next video, which is actually the decorating video. So go ahead and click on that decorating video. If you don't see the video of decorating in the corner up here, just go ahead and hit the notification bell, and as soon as I post the video, you will get a notification. If you would like a personal notification, go ahead and comment and let me know, and I will personally notify you when I get that video done. For right now, you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.